In-Situ is a leader in the water level monitoring industry, and we are excited to introduce the Leveltrol NC, our first non-contact radar. At In-Situ, we really like to listen to our customers and understand what they need. People have been asking us for a non-contact solution, and so now we're delivering it. When we were designing the Leveltrol NC, we wanted to make sure that it was a reliable and robust instrument that could handle all sorts of field conditions. The other thing we wanted to do was make sure that we could bring it into our ecosystem so that it was easy to set up and install using the In-Situ app. We actually have designed our own mounting bracket, which makes it even easier to install. The Leveltrol NC must be level in order to get accurate water level data. So we actually put a bubble level on top, and then our mounting bracket has built-in leveling bolts, which make that fine-tuning adjustments really easy. We've really tried to make it as flexible as you need it at your site. And then you can even connect to the Leveltrol NC with the In-Situ app and read a tilt value from the internal tilt sensor that's inside of the radar. So we've got all these different aspects that help you ensure that the system's level, so your data is level. The Leveltrol NC has a really narrow beam angle, and that allows for more flexibility when you're choosing your installation location. It's really easy to get real-time data with the Leveltrol NC by using our ViewLink, which is our telemetry solution. And that will then send data up to HydroView. So that's a great way to rapidly deploy this entire system for real-time data collection. I think the most exciting thing about the Leveltrol NC is that it's going to open up our ability to talk to surface water customers in the flooding applications. In-Situ is known for simplifying the process for our users. We try and make monitoring as simple as possible. And the Leveltrol NC is going to make radar simplified.